Good day, learners. It's me, Miss B. Come and join me to learn every day. Let's recall the process happen in the rock cycle. What process happened when an igneous rock became a sediments? It is weathering and lithification. How about the sediments become a sedimentary rock? It is compaction and cementation. If the sedimentary rock became a metamorphic rock, what process happened? It is extreme heat and pressure. While the metamorphic rock will become a magma, what process happened? It is melting. And when a magma became an igneous rock, what process happened? It is cooling. And if the igneous rock go back to magma, it is melting again. While igneous rock became a metamorphic rock, what process happened? It undergo extreme heat and pressure. And if the metamorphic rock go back to a sediments, it is the process of weathering and lithification.
Let's study the word weathering in rocks. What is weathering? Weathering is the disintegration or the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces called sediments. While there are many processes involved in weathering, it's typically categorized into two main types: physical and chemical weathering. Let's discuss the physical weathering. This involves the physical breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces without changing their chemical composition. Think of it as breaking a rock into smaller rocks. Examples are frost wedging, abrasion, and exfoliation. Next is chemical weathering. This involves the chemical alteration of rocks, changing their composition. This often weakens the rock, making it more susceptible to physical weathering. Examples are cause of acid rain, oxidation, and hydrolysis. Sometimes a third category is included, which is really a combination of the first two. It is biological weathering. This involves the actions of living organisms in breaking down rocks. Plant roots growing into cracks, burrowing animals, and the action of lichens all contribute to this type of weathering. It often involves both physical and chemical processes. You already know what is weathering and its categories. Let's proceed to the next topic. It is erosion. Erosion. Erosion is the movement of weathered rock from one place to another caused by the different agents such as water, wind, and glacier. Types of erosion: water erosion, wind erosion, glacial erosion, soil erosion. Water erosion is a type of erosion where the water carries the sediments to different parts of the bodies of water such as rivers. For example, when it rained, sediments may be moved downhill going to rivers because of the action of the rain. Wind erosion happens when light materials, such as small rocks and pebbles, are carried by wind to different places. For example, as the wind blows, it may carry small sediments from one specific location to the other. Glacial erosion happens when the ice moves downhill and plucks out chunks of rocks and causes scraping between the ice and the rock. Plucking and scraping can lead to the development of other landforms if, for example, the glaciers hit a mountain and erode it. Soil erosion happens when the topsoil is removed and leaves the soil infertile. This may also lead to increased pollution, sedimentation in streams and rivers, and clogging of waterways, which may lead to flooding. And last topic is deposition. Deposition occurs when the agents, wind or water, of erosion lay down sediment. Deposition changes the shape of the land. I leave you a quotation. The rock cycle is a testament to the enduring power of change, where mountains crumble, sediments travel, and new land is born. I hope you learned something. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And for further updates of the lessons, click the notification bell, so you will be updated to my latest video. Thank you and God bless.